Dictation will be started in 5 seconds. Start. It will be wrong to say that some political parties are trying to say something against the army. Stop. I would like to put on record that there is no truth in it. Stop. In Mizoram, in northeastern region, army has always proved that whatever assignment has been given to them, they have performed it with sincerity, and we always believe that army must have a good relation with the public, and we will continue to do so. Stop. About the mention of the defense preparedness, as I said, my senior colleague will deal with it. Stop. I would like to say that we have an organization under the chairmanship of the Prime Minister, the Border Roads Organization. Stop. It was formed in 1960. Stop. This organization has a perspective plan for 15 years. Stop. They go in the remotest area where it is very difficult to maintain the communications. Stop. They are doing very good work, and they will continue to do good work. Stop. This is basically necessary to give easy access to our armed forces in the border areas adjoining Pakistan and China, as well as in remote areas where there is security hazard. Stop. The Border Roads Organization has done very well, and I shall have to put on record my thanks to the Border Roads Organization. Stop. New para. The armed forces are there to protect the borders of our country. Stop. But at the same time, we must prepare our civilian population also. Stop. Our government has basically taken steps to prepare a citizens force, that is the territorial army. Stop. We are happy that this territorial army, when they have been called for any national service, has done a good job. Stop. We have seen that the territorial army has also played a very important role when there was a strike in the Indian Railways. Stop. New para. We are not concerned how and when the strike has to be diffused. Stop. We are called for to give service when the public suffers. Stop. We take this responsibility. Stop. We have no reasons to interfere whether the strike is legitimate or not. We as Defense Ministry do not interfere in that. Stop. New para. As regards NCC, this is yet another area where we have taken special care to build up our future generation. Stop. Now we have got naval training and air force training in the NCC, and our experience is that the youths of our country who have participated in the NCC are coming in the army and are also getting prepared for it. Stop. In difficult times, their services can also be utilized to the best advantage of the nation, whether in war and peace. Stop.